Hello all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mikey. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be fitting my new system from Lavivid. But first off, we've got to take off my old system, the Nicolas. And I have to say, this has been my favourite system so far by a mile. I absolutely love the Nicolas. I would strongly suggest this system. It is so great. So of course we're taking it off from the back to the front. Remember, that's the safest way to take it off, so you're not going to put any tension on the hair at the front. And very gently pull it off. Now what I do, I put some of the glue solvent on my scalp, and I rub that in, as you can see. And by the way, being able to rub your scalp like that after having your system on for ages, it just feels incredible. All my fellow system wearers out there know, you know what I'm talking about. It's just such a great feeling. So then I've got to shave my patch down. This is how I do it. So I do it in two mirrors. So I find the front quite easy because you can see what you're doing, obviously. And then I use a hand mirror to do the back, which I'll show you how I do it in a minute. It is difficult. I struggle trying to do it in the mirror because your hands move in the opposite way that you see it going. So your brain has to readjust as to which direction you're actually trying to get the clipper to go in, which can be quite tricky. And even though I've done it so many times, I find it really difficult. Yeah, I go as close to that line that I can see as possible. And there we go, there's me doing the back. So I start in the middle and work my way out, as you can see. I find that is the best way for me to do it. And so now I'm going to tape up my system. I have got another video of me taping up my Lavivid system. So this is basically how I do it. I do one long strip along the edge to start with. I cut it at an angle, and then I do smaller pieces cut at that same angle, overlapping each other all the way around until I reach the other side of where the temple would be. And then I tape the front, and I take the back of the tape off when I tape the lace, because that's going straight on my head. Now it's time to mark up my head. So I do this by raising my eyebrows, and you can see my wrinkles. And I like my system to lay on my top wrinkle. That's the position that I like it to be in. Some people like it higher up or lower down. It's really personal preference. Line up the system and as carefully as I can push the system in to where their marks are, and there we go. Then I take the tape off the back, and then I lay down the back, as you can see. So this system was pre-cut by Lavivid, and it's beautifully cut. I need to cut in the sides and the back slightly, just so it all blends, and my barber can do that for me. And I've added in some leave-in hair conditioner. And this is the final look. Thank you so much to Lavivid for sending me the system. Thank you for watching. Take care.